Hi there, welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very first Instagram DM automation in Slide, step by step from start to finish. So let's dive right in. First, head over to the official website, slide.dhem.io. Once you're here, you'll see a page like this. To get started, click on the button that says Get Started for Free. That will bring you to the login page. If you already have an account, just log in, but if you're new, you can quickly sign up with your email and password or simply continue with Google or Facebook. For this demo, I'll log in with Google. Perfect, now we're inside the dashboard. This is the main control center where everything happens. You can take a moment to explore later, but for now, let's stay focused on setting up our first automation. The very first step is to connect Instagram with Slide. Let's do that. On the left sidebar, click on Integrations. This will take you to the Integrations page where you can manage all of your connected accounts. Here, you'll see a list of different platforms, and under each one, the accounts you've already linked. Since we want to connect Instagram, simply click on the Connect Account button. After clicking Connect, Instagram is going to ask for a bunch of permissions. Don't worry, just give it all the permissions it asks for. Think of it like giving your best friend the house keys. If you only give them half the keys, they can't really get inside. Same deal here. Without all permissions, things just won't work properly. Once you're done, you'll see a nice little success message pop up in the bottom right corner, kind of like Slide saying, "Yep, we're good to go." You can then click the Instagram card to view all your connected accounts. Next, let's create our very first automation. On the left sidebar, click on Automations. Here, you'll see a list of all your automations. To create a new one, click the Create Automation button. Then choose Instagram, select your connected account, and we're in. Now, automations in Slide work with a simple rule. When this happens, then do that. So first, we need to set up a trigger. This is the when part. Click on Add Trigger. Here, you'll see two options. User comments on my post. Great if you want Slide to reply when someone leaves a comment, or user sends me a DM with a keyword. This is for auto replies in direct messages. Let's say we want to set up a reply when someone comments on our post. You can type in specific keywords like price, offer, or what is price. That way, the automation only fires when someone uses those words. But if you want Slide to reply to every single comment, just leave it blank. Easy. Once that's ready, click Update Trigger. Now for the then part. What should Slide do when someone triggers this automation? Click on Then, add an action, and choose Send a message to the user. Here, you can type the message you want to send. You can also reply directly to their comment in addition to sending them a DM. This makes your post look more engaging while still giving customers the info they need privately. Once that's ready, click Update Listener. Finally, you can attach this automation to specific posts if you only want it to run on certain promotions. If you leave it blank, it will run on all posts. And the last step, click this button to activate the automation. And just like that, your very first Instagram DM automation in Slide is live. Now let's quickly test it. I'm going to comment on my post with the phrase, "What is price?" And there we go. Slide instantly recognized the price keyword and sent me a DM with the reply I set earlier. And that's it. We just built a complete Instagram DM automation in minutes. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss future tutorials. And of course, try out Slide yourself.